the next set of updates, which is better screen sharing experience. First of all, I can set my default. So I set my default to smoother video. I press start, and over here I can basically choose one of my windows, and what you notice is that the screen share is starting in one click. Secondly, we had this bad UX where we were showing the preview, which was always used to hang around on the screen. Now we've actually tucked the preview in the screen sharing button. So if you hover over your screen sharing button, you'll see what you're sharing. Thirdly, to show that your screen is being shared, we show this card over here, and you can click anywhere on the card to stop screen sharing. Also, you would notice that screen shares have now been integrated with the video tiles. So what this lets you do is actually look at all the screen shares which are happening in one place. With the video tiles, you can very quickly switch between screen shares. Secondly, what also has been added is that earlier you could mark on your colleague's screen using the annotation feature, and as you notice in this case, my pen color is actually the same color as the background of my colleague's screen. So we've introduced a feature to change the pen color, and you can just click on the pen icon here and change the color to a different color, and that will change the pen color to mark on your colleague's screen. So that's the improvement which we've made in our screen sharing experience. Now, when we talk about screen sharing, we often use screen sharing while we are collaborating with our colleagues, or while we are collaborating or learning together something. So we often use Cosmos in the minimized mode with our desktop app, which basically has this pop-out experience. So what you notice in this video is that the screen share also is showing up in the pop-out. With this, what happens is that I can with one click go to my colleague's screen and see it. I can minimize it. I can see what screen am I sharing. I can even stop sharing my screen over here. So once I stop sharing my screen, now if I want to share my screen, I can basically press the screen share button, and I can directly choose the screen I want to share. So no more choosing of what quality you want to show up, because we'll pick the default. So it's basically taking away all the little annoyances you might have experienced in your Cosmos experience and making it smoother and nicer, because you guys use it daily, day in, day out. So, want to make it the best experience possible. So that's basically everything to do with screen sharing.